What's up, you guys? It's me, Nubia here, and you never really see me do anything basic. As basic as it gets is my braid tutorials. So, what if I challenge myself to do the 5 most basic styles that I could think of before you leave the house? You got 30 minutes to do your hair, max. What can I come up with? Today, I'm gonna try that.
She want my attention.
So it's basically taking this style that I did and just making it look like this. And this is cute. I've gone out with my hair like this twice and I love the look, okay? Let's go ahead into style number 4. All right, y'all, this is style number 4. I had no idea I was gonna do this style, y'all. I literally cannot stand when my hair gets in my too in my face, not on purpose. So this right here is my swag, got all the girl. Okay, boom. I'm about to start subscribing to No Retwist styles because these actually eat so much, y'all. This might be my favorite one. If you want to, you can add like a cute one too, you know, something cute. Let's get into style number 5. The last one. Let's get into the last style. Last hairstyle. I've never done this hairstyle either. But I told y'all I'm challenging myself. I'm actually challenging myself. I've never done this hairstyle and I actually like it, and I could see myself going out with something like this with some cute ball earrings, neck gear, outfit cute, like more like travel, either dead winter or on an island, no in between. And it's not too tight on my head either. This is the final hairstyle, okay? Yeah, so you see, like, I just comb my head. Like, these are baby hairs. I don't do the adult hairs. I don't like the adult hairs. Okay, is that one hair tie? Oh, that's one hair tie, y'all. I forgot I only used one hair tie. That's it. I like this. This is a challenge. For so long, I felt as if styles like those can't exist if you don't have a retwist, or your hair's not interlocked, or you don't use barrel twist to really sculpt it. And you know, when in reality, I literally just did that on styles that like I could see myself doing on a whim.